Good morning, traders. Welcome to today's market review. This is Fred Razak at CMTrading. Today is August 7th, 2015, and today is Friday. So we're having a special market review this morning in light of the non-farm payroll number that's coming out at 2:30 South African time. That's a USD number that's coming out. If this is your first time joining us on market review, welcome aboard. We do offer this market review every single day, and you can access it at our website at cmtrading.com. My name is Fred Razak, and I am the senior technical trader here at CM Trading. So going over the economic news for today, we've got a bunch of numbers coming out of the Canadian dollar at 2:30 South African time, but that might be overshadowed by the USD number that's coming out at 2:30, the non-farm payroll. It's a very major number. It pretty much gives you a little bit of a pulse of what's going on in the economy in the United States. It's a very high gauge to see where unemployment is on a monthly basis. So amongst the investment houses, it's a very major number that we consider it to be something of importance. So that's coming out at 2:30 South African time, and you could expect the markets to be volatile. Okay, last month we had, I think it was a 130 pip move just in the Euro USD. So definitely a great opportunity to take advantage of the market. So looking at the technicals and at the graphs, if this is your first time, let's just give you a little bit of a review of what's going on. This is a Euro USD chart. It's about a weekly chart, as you can see here, and we were trading about 138, 137, 135 about a year ago. Okay, and now we're trading at 108. Okay, that's where we've hit to the point. We've been selling off all over the past, a little bit over the past year. Tremendous sell-off in the Euro USD. Dollar did get stronger. And as a result, what happened was that we sold off. We continued selling off up until 104, as you can see down here. And we made somewhat of a double bottom here. And then we've been just trading in this range right here for, I would say, over the past 3-4 months. So let's look at a more daily chart. So as you can see, from about March through May, we rallied. We made these two. These were the two double. This was the double bottom. And basically, what we did is we rallied all the way up to 114. We sold off to 108, and we've been just trading in this Z range. Okay, for those that this was tremendous opportunity to take advantage of. For those that have been trading it on a range-bound trade, you could have sold off here, bought here, again sold off here, bought here, etc., etc. So that was definitely an option with the Euro USD. We're now coming towards the bottom of the range. As you can see here, we're very close to this 108 level. So the question is that do they set this up at the technicals? Okay. And I like this setup. When we get to when the technicals overlap with the economic calendar, I get very excited. My guess is, okay, we will, you can never know the future, okay, but usually many times out of when the numbers come out, you can fade the number, which means that usually there's a very extreme move to one side, and then there's a correction to the other side. So if we sell off all the way down to 105, we could see a, just moments later, we could see a rally right back, or vice versa. That does happen very often in trading the numbers, the news. And in terms of trying to catch the first move, it's a little bit difficult. Going into a number sometimes is a little bit risky. So I would really wait to see if we do sell off, and we do sell off and hold this number at 108.3026 to maybe buy it, and just start out small. If this is your first time trading it, then don't go overbound. But definitely an opportunity here with the Euro USD, as you can see. Looking at the Dow Jones, I'm going to just jump into the index here. We had a little bit of a bounce yesterday, a little bit of a sell-off, 120 point sell-off yesterday, and then we're bouncing a little bit in over markets, after markets right here, as you can see. We're also at the bottom of the range here for the Dow Jones, and this is a major threshold because the next real stop is 17,116-ish. If we're looking at a weekly chart, really the next 166, 17,166 is really the next support level. So I really want to see this rallying into the end of the summer, because I feel like we're going to sell off in the fall. But that's, we're a little bit ahead of ourselves. So I'd really look for today to be trading the Euro USD or the Dow Jones based on those parameters, especially with the news coming out. Looking at CL. CL is oil, and we're at the bottom of the range here at $44, dead in the water, hasn't made a bounce. And we're really, and this is a monthly chart, and you could see in 2008 we hit this $38 barrel. And we look like we're really testing that again, and I feel that we're going to test this $40 sometime soon. So I'd keep an eye on that. Looking at gold, gold rallied a little bit, but nothing really, to write home about. Just rallied 5 points, 10 points, not really a big deal. But altogether, I don't think that the gold will be affected so much by what's going to happen today. I do feel, though, that the USD CAD will have a tremendous effect. Look at the USD CAD. This is a monthly chart of the USD CAD. We're breaking up higher here, as you can see at the top level. We broke this previous resistance level right here. Okay, previous support level right here. That's a major level. I'd like to see it really break out with a big bar for it to see consistency, because we may still falter. This may still be resistance, just because it's not a perfect science. Obviously, it is an art. But I'd really like to see this continue rallying for it to be a nice breakout to maybe hit 138-ish level and to take that out. So oodles of opportunities today at the bottom of the range for the Euro USD and the Dow Jones, coincidentally as the number is coming out. So I would really take a look at that this morning, and to keep a sharp eye on what's going to happen with those two elements in the market. I want to wish you guys a great trading day. This is Fred Razak, and all the best.